Oh, they've got a blonde lass.
I've got you in my sights.
They've got a disco orb with a blonde lass attached.
In the library.
With the what? Candlestick in it?
Candlestick in it. Or the lead piping.
Lead piping. Was he not a character in Lord of the Rings?
What about second break?
Marion Piping.
Marion piping.
Puggy, how did you miss there?
Where is he?
How's he got away?
He's after them bananas.
You say that because it's a known thing that Lucio likes bananas, yeah.
Right, on the trailer, that's what he was eating.
It's like part of the law.
Yeah. Too much potassium will kill you.
Thanks.
You can't eat more than 5 bananas a day.
No, you can't.
Why would you want 5 bananas in 1 year?
You only get your 5 fruit and veg a day, don't you?
But
It's the potassium. Potassium can really mess you up.
Thanks.
have you learned this at chef school?
Chef's
Chef's school.
Someone killed blonde lass.
Today I
Chef's
learned
school.
eat 5 bananas
Like
and
what?
die.
It's like Hogwarts for chefs.
Come on! Can you concentrate on the game, please? I need help.
We're all dead, so
Right, deal. Good luck.
Dale, you can do it.
What you need to do is, right,
If you believe, you can achieve.
what you need to do is you need to win the game. So you
Never.
So by doing that, you've got to kill Fat Man and not shoot yourself. Just go for the draw.
That's the plan.
Don't do it, Connor.
Just gone for the draw hill.
Yeah, just go for the draw.
Connor, no!
Connor, what
Connor,
did you see?
what?
I thought I could have done it, guys.
But it's keeping out of his way.
He's a bit of an idiot going down.
Oh, disco up so close to being dead.
Orange peels don't usually come from bananas.
I don't know what to do with that information.
Puggy, where you at?
I'm above you. I know where you are.
Turtles are not good at basketball.
Oh, I've just run into Reaper. Oh, bullshit! Bullshit! Oh,
You cannot drive a chicken nugget to work.
Puggy, heal! Heal! Heal, Puggy! You need Fat Man, dude. There, get this up.
No!
Oh, you idiot.
I didn't know he was there.
Right, Connor, where you at? Stay with me.
I'm straight ahead.
I know, but you die every time.
Alright, where do you want to go?
Right, Rodog's coming from the left. Help us with him.
Have you still got Roadhog?
No.
He's run away.
What? How?
No. You always get eliminated first.
Because I'm the only one that does any work.
You didn't deserve that. I got 2 others. I got his health down halfway, so...
Technically, I took the health doing Puggy.
I took it down.
And then you arrived and got the kill through.
And that's alright.
And then Connor just flies out after camping at spawn for a little bit and gets the last kill.
Yeah.
He's kind of got an easy job because as long as he's in the air, we don't actually know how much work he does. He could just be like,
No, because I do it all. I think it's underappreciated, but it's alright. I don't mind.
Paggy Fatman's over to the right.
yeah.
Yes, it is. He's down there. He's behind.
Yes.
Yes.
Just disco orb now, innit?
TP'd.
He did get
Oh, whoa, I've just been disco orbed. Where from? Where have I been disco orbed from? What?
Where is
Connie's
he?
behind you. Connie, you've just
Yeah.
flown away from him.
Yeah, no, I haven't really. How do you show him there? Yes! Fuck!
What? If this is where you nick my kills, Puggy, I will be Lee. It is as well.
Just give up. That's the one thing I learned about living this life is give up.
So you're not John Cena?
Nah, he's never give up. I'm do that always.